Strap in, guitar lovers, because we're diving into the best acoustic guitar under $500 and kicking off a high-energy countdown. These picks prove you can snag seriously solid tone, build quality, and playability without draining your wallet. Whether you're a beginner shopping your first guitar or a budget-conscious player upgrading your setup, this list has you covered. Today, I'm going to be going over the best acoustic guitar under $500 that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Pyle 6-string acoustic guitar kit. Kit comes with a full-size dreadnought-style body that projects a surprisingly balanced voice for a beginner instrument, with a spruce-like top visual and a sturdy NATO back and sides that blend warmth and projection. The neck offers a comfortable, slim profile designed for players just learning chords and scales, and the rosewood fingerboard provides smooth playability across the lower frets, encouraging clean intonation as new players practice. Included hardware matters here. Die-cast tuners lock in tuning stability, a 25.5-inch scale length keeps string tension reasonable, and the action is tuned to minimize buzz without requiring immediate fretwork. Bundle aspect of this kit is what often sways first-time buyers, because you get a gig bag that cushions the instrument during transport, a strap for hands-free playing while you learn, assorted picks to experiment with tone, and replacement strings to extend the instrument's life as wear sets in. An adjustable truss rod is not always standard on budget models, but the neck feel stays straight under typical humidity changes, which is crucial for consistent playability in a beginner setup. Beyond the guitar itself, the kit includes a simple clip-on tuner for quick setup, a spare set of strings, a polishing cloth, and a basic gig bag that zips up securely. The overall tone leans warm in the mid-range with enough sustain to practice riffs without sounding harsh, and it pairs well with Lightroom acoustics, making it a practical purchase for someone who wants real acoustic feedback without heavy financial risk. When you strum chords, the guitar responds with a friendly, forgiving character that encourages daily practice rather than discouraging mistakes. The finish is a standard satin that resists fingerprints and light scratches, keeping it presentable for social jams and room demos alike. In terms of value, this kit hits a sweet spot by combining the guitar's fundamental acoustic properties with the convenience of bundled accessories, so a complete playing setup can be assembled without a long shopping list. Paired to the Pyle Steel String Acoustic Guitar Kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the 6-string bundle offers a broader tonal palette and a slightly more versatile string instrument experience, which is especially appealing to players who want to explore both lighter and more robust chord voicings as they grow. At number 4, we have the Pyle Steel String Acoustic Guitar Kit. Steel string build typically delivers a brighter and more articulate voice with stronger attack, which helps your melodies sing through a busy room or dense mix when you perform or practice along with a metronome. Wood combo in this kit usually includes a spruce or similar top with stronger back and sides that guide the projection and sustain, giving you more dynamic range for strumming and fingerpicking alike. The neck profile remains comfortable, and the slimmer fretboard edge can reduce fatigue during long practice sessions, a common problem for beginners upgrading from nylon or softer setups. Steel string tension provides more snap on the type of chords learners commonly use, so you'll hear clearer note definition in tricky progressions. Tuners are typically reliable, with die-cast hardware that holds tuning through minor humidity shifts, and the 25.5-inch scale length keeps intonation aligned across the fretboard as scales and arpeggios get more complex. Like most beginner kits, this bundle adds essential accessories: a padded gig bag for safe transport, a strap for practice sessions away from your chair, a handful of picks to tailor attack, and a spare set of strings that you can experiment with different gauges. Clip-on tuner helps you dial in pitch without relying on a separate pedal or app, and a microfiber cloth keeps the satin finish free of fingerprints and oil smudges. The overall timbre benefits from the brighter top end and stronger mid-range. It can be a confidence boost for players who want their rhythm and lead lines to sit clearly in a small ensemble setting. Brightness is balanced by the guitar's resonance, so you don't get a shrill tone at higher strums, a common concern with bargain-grade steel string instruments. In practice, this guitar can handle beginner chords and intermediate riffs with ease, and the kit's bundled accessories shorten the setup time so you can focus on the music instead of shopping. Paired to the Pyle 6-string acoustic guitar kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the steel string version tends to cut through accompaniment with more clarity and a brighter attack, making it a strong choice for learners who want a more energetic, rock-leaning feel as they mature. At number 3, we have the Best Choice Products Acoustic Guitar Kit. This option stands out in the under $500 category because it bundles a complete beginner-ready instrument with practical accessories that reduce the initial setup friction and invites regular practice. The guitar body usually features all-wood construction with a laminated top and layered back, and sides designed to deliver a balanced tone with sufficient sustain for year one riffs and chord progressions. The neck is thoughtfully carved to feel comfortable in typical beginner hand sizes, with a satin or satin-like finish that minimizes friction as fingers glide along frets. Fretboard radius and action are tuned to accommodate novice players, smoothing out common fretting mistakes and offering easier chord stretches without excessive pressure. Tone tends to be warm and inviting, with a mids-forward character that helps chords like C, G, and D ring clearly in a small room. The guitar often ships with a compact gig bag, a strap, picks, a tuner, and extra strings, turning a simple purchase into a portable practice kit that travels well for lessons. One standout feature is the beginner-friendly setup that reduces common issues like buzzing or intonation problems, minimizing the amount of immediate maintenance beginners must perform. As learning progresses, the instrument remains responsive, encouraging a varied practice routine that blends strumming, arpeggios, and scalar work. Visual details like a glossy or satin finish and modest binding give the guitar a presentable look for practice spaces and small performances. Kit's bundled accessories add convenience and value, letting new players begin without add-on purchases. Compared to the Best Choice Products Acoustic Guitar Kit, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this kit emphasizes a more all-around beginner-friendly bundle with a focus on immediate playability rather than the performance edge of a fully. At number 2, we have the Best Choice Products Acoustic Guitar. This model represents a practical mid-tier option that balances wood quality, playability, and an affordable price. A combination many beginners search for when they want something that feels authentic but stays forgiving. The all-wood construction, often with a spruce or similar tonewood top paired to a complementary back and sides, yields a natural projection that fills a small room without needing electronic amplification. Neck is designed to be user-friendly with a comfortable width and smooth finish, supporting clean fretting as you learn chords, scales, and simple melodies. Sustain and tone are generally well-rounded, with a bright initial attack that softens into a musical warmth as you settle into rhythm and groove. Durability is a priority here, with hardware that holds tuning well and a finish that resists minor dings during casual transport or practice sessions. Included accessories in many bundles extend the value. Padded gig bag or soft case, a strap, a small set of picks to explore different attack tones, a clip-on tuner for quick setup, and an extra set of strings for ongoing maintenance. These extras turn a simple guitar purchase into a home practice system that can be used for lessons or self-guided improvement. Build quality supports a long learning curve with consistent action that minimizes hand fatigue and encourages longer practice days. Comparisons aside, this guitar is often chosen by players who want a reliable, no-fuss instrument that allows them to focus on fundamentals rather than technical quirks. Compared to the Best Choice Products Acoustic Guitar Kit, which I have included as number 1 on this list, this intermediate version sits in the sweet spot of value and performance, offering a tone that feels more complete when strummed in a small room but still approachable for newcomers. At number 1, we have the Best Choice Products Acoustic Guitar Kit. This top pick of the under $500 category emphasizes a premium feel experience with a bundle that keeps you practicing and progressing from day one. The all-wood body construction delivers a robust resonance with a balanced spectrum across bass, mids, and treble, letting you hear the fundamental notes clearly as you practice chords, arpeggios, and simple melodies. The neck profile is crafted for comfortable playability, giving your fretting fingers a smooth glide and enabling accurate string contact even during longer practice sessions. Scale length, typically around 25.5 inches, supports a familiar feel for players coming from other standard acoustic guitars, helping you transfer skills quickly. Tuners are precise and stable, capable of withstanding routine fluctuations in humidity and temperature without severe detuning, which is essential for maintaining momentum in your learning journey. Tone quality favors a bright, but not brittle top end, with enough projection to fill a small room while maintaining a clear musical character that supports practice with a metronome or backing tracks. Bundled accessories in this kit usually include a padded gig bag for safe transport, a strap for playing while standing, picks for tone variety, a clip-on tuner for fast setup, and extra strings to cover routine string changes, along with a microfiber cloth to keep the finish pristine. The result is a versatile instrument that suits beginners who intend to commit to weekly practice and gradually expand into more complex rhythms and chord progressions. Paired to the Pyle Steel String Acoustic Guitar Kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this kit presents a more balanced, all-around package with a focus on a complete learning experience rather than a single performance emphasis, making it a practical doorway into broader string playing exploration.